In the bustling city of Medina during the 7th century, Prophet Muhammad's marriages tell a complex story of social reform, political alliances, and humanitarian considerations. Let's explore the historical context that shaped these unions. Before Islam, Arabia was a place where men could marry unlimited wives. The Prophet actually restricted this practice to a maximum of 4 wives for his followers, though he himself was granted a special dispensation due to his unique position and responsibilities. Each of his marriages served purposes beyond personal desire, contributing to the social and political fabric of the time. Consider his first marriage to Khadijah. He remained monogamous with her for 25 years until her death, when he was already 50 years old. This speaks volumes about his character. It was only after her passing that his other marriages took place, each serving specific purposes beyond personal desire. Several marriages were to protect widows of his followers who had died in early battles defending the Muslim community. Take Sauda bint Zama, for example. As a widow in that society, she faced significant hardship before the Prophet married her. Similarly, Salama was a widow with 4 children when the Prophet married her, providing them all with security and protection.